my darlings, it's Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. It's October 2024, and Bobby and I are here at Denny's just having some breakfast. So just wanted to just preface this. Rob ordered the Grand Slam. It comes with the toast.
I think it's called the Grand Slam.
At Denny's. This is part of my breakfast. It comes with a French toast, but she's putting the thing on. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, guys. Let me
Thank
know
you.
if you guys need anything.
Okay,
Thank you.
perfect. And there's my French toast with my. That's a lot of breakfast.
Not really.
But it's Thanksgiving, and we're very thankful for that we have each other.
Healthy,
Yeah.
somewhat.
And we're
And
thankful
working.
for all of
I'm
you.
working.
Yeah. I'm thankful that my hubby has a job. Happy Thanksgiving, my darlings, and to all the Canadians out there. This is Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. And happy weekend to the rest of all of my darlings. We're not having a traditional turkey dinner, but my hubby and I did the potatoes, and these are our yellow beans from the garden. I had cleaned them up and put them in the freezer. And I made cheese garlic bread, and we had some steak, so we got some steaks there, and the tomato from our garden as well. So happy Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful for all of you, my darlings. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you. So this is the rest of it was actually a roast that my husband cut into little size steaks. For me, actually, he's not big on steak. He likes to do roasts. But he promised me a while back that he would do this for me. And so anyways, like I said, this was a roast that he cut up into little steaks and did them on the barbecue for me. And for us, for our little Thanksgiving meal for 2024. Anyways, so good. So I have, for like the rest of the week, I will have the steak. I can't wait. So thank you to hubby. He's awesome. And oh, so yummy. So my darlings, this is what I made for my lunch today. The other night we had sausages, so we had some sausage left over. So I just reheated and cut the sausage up. This is a tomato given by my brother-in-law from his garden. I just got some feta cheese on there. And then I just roasted up in the air fryer on roast setting some carrots and some broccoli. And I put salt and pepper and some oregano on there and Parmesan cheese and tossed it up in some olive oil and put it in the air fryer on roast. So this is my lunch today. Good. Can't wait to get into it. Waffle Minis. The taste of homemade waffles and syrup in every bite. A delicious cereal for breakfast, snack time, or any time. Pair this waffle goodness with your favorite milk and feel like you're indulging in a bowl of waffles. So my darlings, here's my quick little review on this Post Waffle Minis. Here's what it looks like in the bowl. And they do look like waffles. There it is up close. I got this box of cereal from the Canadian Dollar Tree to try. And it is yummy, and it does taste like waffles and syrup. So I'd have to give this cereal an 8 out of 10. And yeah, so if you see it and you love waffles, give it a try. I was happy that I was able to, grateful that I was able to test it out for all of you. Let me know if you've tried it and what your thoughts are on it. I'd love to hear. Good. Waffle Minis by Post. So my darlings, here's my lunch that I made for myself. I got some Campbell's. I made up some Campbell's tomato soup, and there's this ground pepper and a little bit of parsley there. We had a little bit of tater tots left, and I also made myself a grilled cheese. Yes, this is a big lunch, but the last year or so I've been actually making more, showing you more lunch ideas and dinner, just because a lot of the stuff that I make for myself for lunch, you can easily incorporate into your dinners. And if this is your first time on my channel, it's just me and my husband. But you could, like, if you have a bigger family, you could easily just make more grilled cheeses, make a bigger pot of cream of tomato soup, and have more tater tots. So normally I wouldn't have I would just have the grilled cheese and tomato soup, but there's a few left, and I'm kind of hungry today, and I've been trying to have like my lunch, like maybe a bigger lunch than dinner. And plus I've been on YouTube for quite a long time, so if you want to look at, I have a playlist of what's for dinner tonight, so you can check out those videos, because I have lots to share with you there. But I've been kind of sharing more lunch ideas, and hope you guys are doing well, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you do get ideas from my What's for Dinner Tonight videos, because I enjoy doing them, and I believe a lot of you enjoy watching those, so hopefully I'm bringing you good content there, I hope. But anyways, this is what I'm having for lunch today. So tonight I made little homemade hamburgers, and I did the meat like and then I put it in the air fryer to cook the patties, and I've got an egg on there and some bacon and cheese, ketchup, mayo, and relish and mustard. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hubby already has his, but he didn't have an egg on his because he had eggs earlier and I didn't eat my egg, so I put it on here to try. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. So my darlings, I ordered a My Box from Pizza Hut, and they have chicken finger box you can order, and with fries, and you get a dip. But this is what it is. There's the chicken fingers. I've had this before, and the chicken fingers are pretty good from Pizza Hut. But the new thing is these waffle fries. And, oh my gosh, this looks so good. So yes, this is what I'm having. Let me know if you've ever tried the Pizza Hut My Box deals. I enjoy them. Oh, here's what I'm having for my lunch, my darlings. I made myself another this time it's a garden salad. It's got broccoli, those little cherry tomatoes. My husband, those are from our garden. And I got some feta cheese on there. And I grated up some carrot. And then the dressing you see is just a little bit of Caesar dressing. And I'm really loving the lettuce. I'll have to show you what the lettuce is from Costco. Really nice. Good. So for dinner tonight, my darlings, I made some meatball subs for hubby. I'm not really into the meatball sub thing, but I made these for hubby. So this is what he's gonna have for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna have some meatballs, but I'm not having them in the sub. So good. They're really easy to do. Great for a quick night meal. I thought it was. This is our starter. It's a mushroom caps, I guess. We're at an Italian place called Jimmy. Do you know what the place is called? Jimmy something. This was Mamma Mia, meatballs, and spaghetti. That's what Abby's having. And I'm having the creamy shrimp pesto pasta. Look at that. That looks amazing. Can I try some of yours?
Yeah.
Try some of mine. Here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings, and here's what I made for my hubby. I'm just going to have the chili. I had already made the chili. I'll previously see that for Halloween night. But I made him chili cheese fries for dinner tonight. For him. Good. So easy to do. Hopefully you'll love it. So I just wanted to quickly share. I made a plate of nachos. And when I make them for myself, I don't usually do like the ground beef or whatever. I just kind of do them, I guess, a veggie. Those green peppers are from our garden, and also the little cherry tomatoes are as well. And I just put some cheese on there, grated cheese, and melted it. And then we got some sour cream on there with some hot sauce and those hot pepper flakes. Good. So that's what I'm having. I love making nachos, and you can do it so many different ways. You put so many different things on there, whatever you like. We're here at the Loaf and Ale. These are the jalapeno poppers I love. This is what they look like inside. So good. And I also got their picture of Rob had chocolate. Picture of their Caesar. Rob, this is apparently Rob got meatloaf.
Apparently.
And it's coming with a salad. And then I got the bacon and cheese loaf burger. It comes with the fries, but Rob's going to have the fries and I'm going to have the salad.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, and here's the salad.